It's a live recording early in the morning, November 2nd, Friday, 2012, on the shuttle bus. Due to Hurricane Sandy, knocked out all the trains and all the tunnels is flooded with water. Yeah, I'm on a bus on my way. The only way to get to Manhattan is if you take the shuttle bus to to the city, which is Manhattan, New York. And yeah, we're on the bus getting escorted by the police. Some people's on the bus. That's how we all get to work. Unfortunately, it's always a line. People is always on the line waiting for the bus because there's a lot of people and stuff. So more will be, I'll take more later. And at nighttime, it's seriously late. Everywhere gas stations, there's no gas. Manhattan has no lights. At nighttime, it's totally different. And the line for the shuttle buses be extremely long in the morning. Good thing it's Friday. Everybody ain't gotta go home. They can stay, play around, whatever. And this is a line for another bus. People just waiting and stuff. This is Trey, aka Candyman, aka entertainment, comedy show, whatever. You want it, we got it, we get it to you. It's been a long time, but we back. So yeah, we got no lights. Again, Friday, November 2nd, 2012, no lights. And my PD on the job, moving the traffic.